Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Darkest Nightmare Haunt, year 2021. This is just gonna be another quick update video on my progress. It's been a while since I made the last video, so I have built a lot since then. And I'm gonna actually start with the first room that I talked about in the last video, because that's where I've made the most progress. Okay, so I'm in the entrance of the haunt. This is where people are gonna enter. Here's the garage door. So this is gonna be towards the outside of the haunt. And I still don't know what I'm gonna do here. I've kind of left this one out for now. I'll probably figure it out by the next episode about what I'm gonna put in this area. But when you walk into this curtain, it's gonna be the first scene, and like I said, I'm gonna go for the haunted house theme. So here it is. And I think it looks really cool so far. Right now, I'm still kind of figuring out how the layout's gonna go, what kind of props I'm gonna put in here. But so far, I'm liking it. I put the skeleton guy in this chair right here to have a prop to fill in that corner. And then the table that's usually in the entryway is now right here. And I just put up a couple things that kind of indoor items like that, telephone, lamp, and everything like that. I'm gonna put that up soon. So, oh yeah, I almost forgot. This light is actually the flickering bulb from Spirit Halloween. So when it's dark, this actually looks really cool when it's flickering like that. And I hope to get some candles to put on the walls as well. Not sure if that's gonna happen, but I think it'll look a lot better with them. Just kind of on the walls or maybe on the table or something. So yeah, so far the scene looks really good. And as you can see, the window really blends in well now, especially with these curtains. These are just, I think it's a tablecloth that I got from Goodwill. And I cut it in half, and now they're curtains. So they look really good. And the zombie atmosphere effects is gonna be playing on the TV behind there, and this is the TV behind there, just in case I didn't show you guys. Okay, so moving on throughout the haunt, in this room, well, what is about to be a room, still have to put that wall up, which will be the final wall, and probably gonna put a brick pattern up here, and yeah, so you're gonna turn into here, and there's gonna be that static TV. I'm going to stack up some boxes or something and put it up there. And that should be enough light to actually illuminate this guy. So I think usually I have this guy right here, but this is probably a better spot for him so that people won't run into him as they come through this curtain. That would be right here. Okay, so the next scene is the dark scene, like the dark room scene. And I just kept it basic again, like I always do. There's the strobe light up in the corner, which I'll turn on right now. And you can kind of see how this is gonna look. Now, there'll be smoke pumping in from that corner, just making it really foggy in here. So that seems nice. And then over here is where you'll see the new prop that I'm going to build. Now, right now the zombie guy's actually turned backwards, but like I said, I'm gonna make a full video on this prop very soon. Actually, it's almost complete. I just have to finish up that zombie and get a few other things working. But right now, to trigger that prop, I just have this step mat right here, and it's not turned on right now, but the step mat is in pretty good location so that people will be forced to walk in between these two walls and step on it. And then he will be activated, and at the same time, we have a strobe light right here that will be activated onto him. So that's really cool. And then when we turn over here, this is gonna be the last room or last scene. We're gonna have him hanging. Right now he's facing the wrong direction, but I'll get him sorted soon. And I'll have a light shining on him. Okay, so that's about it for the haunt for my plans right now. I still might put in the walkers here. I'm thinking about that, or I don't know what other props could possibly go here. Okay. that was a lot of talking. So that's basically just my progress that I have so far. There's not actually that much time left till Halloween, but this place is gonna be done pretty soon, and I will make some more videos and a video showcasing that prop. Like I said, it's almost done and it works really well so far. We only just got to get this guy done. And right now, this is just put him together for the first time like 5 minutes ago, and so he's not done yet. His arms are still made out of only PVC. He doesn't have hands. I need to mess up his shirt a little bit, get his form looking better and everything else. But so far, this prop is probably going to be the highlight of this year's haunt. That and also this main room, which I think looks really good. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.